Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 14 proven tips to sleep better at night. So make sure to watch the full video. 14. Increase the brightness of the light throughout the day. Your body has a regular working period called the circadian rhythm. It helps you sleep by affecting your brain, body, and hormones and tells your body when to sleep. Natural sunlight or bright light during the day can help maintain a healthy circadian rhythm. This increases energy during the day as well as sleep quality and duration at night. For people with insomnia, exposure to light during the day can improve sleep quality and duration. It also reduces the time to fall asleep by 83%. A similar study in adults found that 2 hours of light exposure during the day increased sleep duration by 2 hours and increased sleepiness by more than 80%. Although most studies have involved people with serious sleep problems, daily exposure to light can help even if you sleep normally. Try to get sunlight every day or, if this is not possible, buy good lighting or lighting. 13. Reduce exposure to blue light at night. Exposure to light during the day is beneficial, but exposure to light at night is harmful. Again, this is because its effect on your circadian cycle causes your brain to think it's still daytime. This reduces the production of hormones like melatonin that help you relax and sleep. Blue ray. The large amount of blue light emitted by electronic devices, such as smartphones and computers, is the worst in this regard. 12. Avoid caffeine after the day. Caffeine has many benefits and is consumed by 90% of Americans. Improve focus, strength, and athleticism in one run. However, when consumed later in the day, caffeine can affect your nervous system and prevent your body from resting at night. In one study, caffeine consumed 6 hours before going to sleep was very effective. Caffeine can stay in your blood for 6 to 8 hours. Drink lots of coffee after 3 to 4 p.m. Not recommended if you are particularly sensitive to caffeine or have trouble sleeping. 11. Reduce frequent and long naps during the day. While short naps are beneficial, long and irregular naps during the day can disrupt your sleep. Sleeping during the day disrupts your body clock, which means you will have trouble sleeping at night. In fact, in one study, participants fell asleep during the day after taking a nap. Another study noted that napping for 30 minutes or less can increase brain activity during the day, but long naps can affect health and sleep quality. However, some studies have shown that people who eat regularly during the day do not sleep poorly at night or have a disturbed sleep pattern. If you eat regularly and sleep well, there is nothing to worry about. The effects of sleep vary from person to person. 10. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time. Your body's circadian rhythm works on a light cycle that coincides with sunrise and sunset. Going to bed and waking up at the same time can help you sleep longer. In one study, participants who slept regularly and slept late on weekends reported poor sleep quality. Other research shows that irregular sleep patterns can alter your circadian rhythm and melatonin levels, which tell your brain to wake up. If you have trouble sleeping, try to make it a habit to get up and go to bed at similar times. After a few weeks, you probably won't need the alarm clock. 9. Take melatonin. Melatonin is an important part of sleep that tells your brain when to rest and sleep. Melatonin supplements are a great sleep aid. Melatonin is often used to treat insomnia and can be an easy way to fall asleep faster. In one study, taking 2 milligrams of melatonin before bed made people feel better and more energetic the next day and helped people fall asleep faster. In another study, half of people fell asleep faster and had a 15% improvement in sleep quality. Also, none of the above studies show any signs of deletion. Melatonin is also useful when traveling and moving to a new area, as it helps your body's circadian rhythms return. In some countries, you need a prescription to buy melatonin. In other countries, melatonin is widely available over the counter or online. Take 1 to 5 in 30 to 60 minutes before going to bed. Start with a low dose to test your tolerance, then gradually increase the dose as needed. Because melatonin can change brain chemistry, it is recommended to consult your doctor before using it. If you are considering using melatonin as a sleeping pill for your child, you should talk about melatonin because its long-term use in children has not been well studied. 8. Do not drink alcohol. A few drinks at night can negatively affect your sleep and hormones. Alcohol is known to cause or exacerbate symptoms such as sleep apnea, snoring, and sleep disorders. It also changes melatonin at night, which plays an important role in your body's circadian rhythm. Another study found that drinking alcohol at night reduced the nighttime rise in human growth hormone, HGH, a hormone that plays an important role in circadian rhythms, among other important jobs. 7. Optimizing the bedroom environment. Many people think that the bedroom environment and location are important for a good night's sleep. These features include temperature, noise, exterior lighting, and furniture configuration. Many studies show that outside noise, especially traffic, can cause poor sleep and long-term health problems. In a study of women's bedroom environments, about 50% of participants found that they slept better when noise and light were reduced. Reduce external noise, light, and lighting through devices, such as alarm clocks, to improve your bedroom environment. Make sure your bedroom is a quiet, relaxing, clean, and happy place. 6. Set bedroom temperature. Body and bedroom temperature can also affect good sleep. It can be difficult to sleep well when the weather is very hot, as you may have lived in the summer or hot places. One study found that the temperature of the bedroom has a greater effect on sleep quality than outside noise. Other research trusted sources show that increasing body and bedroom temperature reduces sleep quality and alertness. Approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, may seem like a good temperature for most people, but it depends on your taste and personality. 5. Do not eat too late at night. Eating too late will be bad for good sleep and the natural release of HGH and melatonin. However, the quality and type of evening snack can also play a role. In one study, eating a high-carb meal 4 hours before bed helped people fall asleep faster. Interestingly, one study found that a low-carb diet also improves sleep, suggesting that carbs are necessary, especially if you're used to a low-carb diet. 4. Get a good night's rest. Many people sleep every day to help them rest. Relaxation techniques have been shown to improve sleep quality and are another popular technique for treating insomnia. In one study, relaxing massage improves sleep quality in patients. Strategies include listening to relaxing music, reading a book, taking a warm bath, meditating, deep breathing, and visualization. Try different methods and find the one that suits you best. 3. Take a relaxing bath or shower. Taking a relaxing bath or shower is another popular way to improve sleep. Research shows that they can help improve overall sleep and help people, especially the elderly, fall asleep faster. In one study, taking a warm bath 90 minutes before bed improved sleep and helped people sleep more. Or if you don't want to take a bath at night, even soaking your feet in hot water can help you relax and sleep. 2. Laws against sleep. Any of the following situations may cause you to have trouble sleeping. A common problem is sleep apnea, which causes irregular and intermittent breathing. People with this disease often stop breathing during sleep. This may be more than you think. One trusted source review claimed that 24% of men and 9% of women have sleep apnea. Other medical problems include sleep disturbances and circadian rhythm sleep/weakness, which is one of the shift workers. If you are constantly having trouble sleeping, it is best to talk to your doctor. 1. Prepare a good bed, mattress, and pillow. Some people wonder why they sleep better in hotels. Besides the resting place, the quality of the bed can also affect sleep. One reliable study looked at the results of a new mattress for 28 days and found that it reduced back pain by 57%, shoulder pain by 60%, and back pain by 59%. It also improves sleep quality by 60%. Other research shows that new mattresses can improve sleep. Also, bad mattresses can cause back pain. The best bedding and bedding are very important. If you are decorating your bed, choose according to your personal preference. Recommends replacing your mattress every 5 to 8 years. If you haven't replaced your mattress or mattress in a few years, this can be a very quick, albeit expensive, fix. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.